Now, we can draw a rough diagram. So, this is the nasal passage, these are the cartilaginous rings in the trachea. Now, here it is dividing into two, the bronchial tubes, this is trachea, this is bronchial tubes. You know, when you are labeling a diagram, your all labels should be on one side and at same level. It looks neater and it is also clearer. These bronchial tubes then open into lungs, we will write this again. See, the shape of lungs is such that it seems it is resting on the diaphragm. Now, if we see the bronchial tubes, they divide and redivide like this and finally end up into alveolus. The bronchial tubes are further divided and they end up in a rounded body which looks like a grape, and that is alveolus. The plural, as I told you, is alveoli. These are richly supplied with blood vessels where the exchange of gases takes place. Now, where the exchange of gas takes place, that is called a respiratory surface. Whatever the respiratory organ of an animal, it has a respiratory surface. The respiratory surface is thin and delicate. It is also richly supplied with blood vessels. Now, why blood vessels? Because exchange of gases has to take place and it is the blood that is going to transport oxygen, right. Now, because it is thin and delicate, it is deep inside the body, so that it can be well protected. For example, in human beings, the alveoli are inside the lungs, lower side of the thorax, but we are breathing through nasal passage. So, how will it reach? For that purpose is the trachea. So, there always has to be a passage which will connect environment with the respiratory surface. So, all these features are there in case of the alveoli. So, why there is so much of branching? To increase the surface area of exchange of gases. So, it is very important that there is enough surface area for exchange of gases.